This is Sahil.
And this is Kaden. Today we are going to be doing the cinnamon challenge. Oh yeah, so we're going to get a teaspoon of cinnamon right there.
Right, no, not a teaspoon. This is a spoon.
Yeah, whatever a spoon thing. A tablespoon. And then so we're going to put the tablespoon in my mouth, and then I'm going to have to keep it in there for 5 seconds, and I'm going to have to swallow it. That's what she said.
That's what she said. Yeah, nice.
Okay, so here we go. Okay, make it so the camera can see the teaspoon.
Oh, go over the thing.
Oh my.
It's not even that bad. I got 2 tablespoons. You like
Give me water.
You wouldn't know, kid. Look at all the cinnamon.
Okay.
Look at that. Ooh.
Give me more. Give me more. I'm so dry.
Oh man, I'm gonna pee my pants. Partied a bit too hard.
Oh god.
He failed the cinnamon challenge. Doot 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 doot